Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by removing oils and particles, clean with the included alcohol wipe, then dry with the microfiber. Once done, inspect under light and remove remaining specks with a dust sticker or a bit of tape. This prevents bubbles later. Now, without peeling the adhesive, hold the protector above the device and align holes, camera, earpiece, edges, so it sits perfectly. Make tiny alignment adjustments before you touch down because once adhesive meets glass, movement is limited and repositioning causes fingerprints. You peel back about 1/3 of the backing and set that edge in place. This gives control and keeps alignment. Then, slowly lower the rest while pressing the center. Seal outward toward the edges to push air pockets away. Use the included squeegee or a card wrapped in microfiber to smooth in one continuous motion. Repeated scrubbing creates static and dust attraction. Make sure to apply steady, even pressure across the surface to bond the adhesive uniformly, which reduces lifting and ensures touch responsiveness. You finish by pressing firmly around the edges to complete the seal. This locks out moisture and dust. If a small bubble remains, press it toward the nearest edge with the squeegee. Many tiny bubbles will vanish over 24 to 72 hours as air disperses. If a dust particle or major misalignment shows, lift the nearest edge carefully, remove the contaminant with tape, and reapply. If touch or clarity is compromised, replace the protector. Continued use risks scratches and reduced screen performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.